Unsatisfied customers.
ल हामी चाहिँ फर्स्ट टाइम होइन फर्स्ट टाइम होइन त लाइफमा सधैँ व्हेल माछा चाहिँ फोटो र भिडियो मात्रै देखाएको थियो आज फर्स्ट टाइम व्हेल माछा हेर्न जाँदैछौँ हामी एकजना दुईजना 6 भाइ जम्मा हामी व्हेल माछा हेर्नको लागि समुद्रतिर जाँदैछौँ है गाइस अहिले एकछिनपछि व्हेल माछा नि देखाउँछौँ डट्ट लाएर समुद्रको छेउमा छौँ समुद्रको बिचमा जाँदैछौँ अब यही बोटमा जाँदैछौँ हामी चाहिँ समुद्रको बिचमा यही बोटमा व्हेल माछा हेर्न जाँदैछौँ है ल बोटमा नि चढियो अब बोटमा चढियो ल अब यही बोट छोडेर ओइल माछा हेर्न जाँदैछौँ
That one's not as bad. That one maybe just a little bit sweet.
If you're sleepy, there's a bed.
Do you want to try?
Yeah, there's a bathroom downstairs if you need to use the bathroom.
I just wanted to say. All by yourself. It won't work
कसरी बोलाउनु मिल्दैन ल वेल गयो
One right there too. Look, he's right there. You see him?
Oh my god.
You gonna come up?
Oh yeah, right here.
ल त यहाँ नर्सी ल यहाँ तल ए हाम्रो बोटको तल छ हौ वेलमा छ Oh, look at it.
Oh my god. There's two more right here. Are they going the other way?
Oh, they're going that way.
Oh,
yeah. tail, no. Not yet. We can follow him? No.
Well, we'll see where if they turn and come back. If they keep swimming away, we might.
There is one, yeah. Oh, here it is.
Okay, keep watching that funky
So
line.
those three are going in the same way.
Look, a shark. Is that table a
Oh,
shark?
the
Or
shark,
a
shark,
seal?
shark.
A seal or shark? Seal?
Don't go.
It's a seal, Gavin. It's seal, it's seal.
All the wheels are getting together right now.
They are, I know.
Oh, yeah. It's a seal, for sure.
It looked, at first, it looked
Yeah,
like
first look like shark, yeah.
Yeah, he wants to.
Oh, yeah. Oh, the tail.
Wow. So nice. Now this guy's gonna show his tail.
Oh, they are all sort I mean, like, they are in one day.
Oh, here's his tail.
Sorry. The white, oh, it's coming there. Oh, yeah.
ल वेल माछा देखेँ एक्चुअली डाइ भन झ्याउलेर
Yeah, I can see him. I can track him.
या ओ
See? Oh, he's going that way. He's going away from us.
Oh, I thought I was hoping he was gonna show his tail that time. That would have been a great shot.
Ah,
There's one more. Oh, they don't eat the seals? No.
Nope, just krill. Little teeny tiny creatures and herons.
Because the seals are, that's why they are playing around the... Oh, the whale is going that way. It's going that way. How do you identify the blue whale?
How do you find them?
Yeah.
There was only one here in 40 years.
Oh.
Yeah, they don't come here often at all.
They're seals. They're seals.
Where did this guy go? Did he die?
No, he went to that. He's going that way.
He didn't show us his tail.
Not yet.
What? Oh, Caleb the whale. He's coming this way, so he'll probably come up right where those seagulls are, and then we'll go. Look, synchronized flyers. Putting on a show for us. Oh, wow. Nice show. Hi. Ow! 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 Ow!
So they don't eat. Seals are coming.
Oh,